Now I am going to explain some numerical problems related to rate of reaction. First one, rate of disappearance of ammonia is 1.5 in 10 power minus 3 mole later inverse time inverse. Find rate of disappearance of oxygen during oxidation of ammonia. How can we solve this problem? First we have to write balanced equation. Okay, NH3 plus O2 gives rise to NO plus H2O. This is oxidation of ammonia. How can we balance? Let it be 4, 5, 4, 6. 4, 5, 4 and 6 are coefficients of reactants and products. Now we should write rate of reaction. Rate of reaction. Okay, minus 1 by 4 d of NH3 by dt. Using general equation we can write minus 1 by 5 d of O2 by dt plus 1 by 4 d of NO by dt. What is the coefficient of ammonia? 4, that's why minus 1 by 4. What is the coefficient of oxygen? 5, that's why minus 1 by 5. What is the coefficient of NO? 4 plus 1 by 4. Now what is the coefficient of water? 6 plus 1 by 6 d of H2O by dt. Clear all of you? See our problem. Rate of disappearance of ammonia is given. Okay. Find rate of disappearance of oxygen. Okay. Given conditions. Given rate of disappearance of ammonia. Clear? That is nothing but d of NH3 by dt given. Okay. What is to be calculated? To be calculated. Very important. This is the way of calculation. Rate of disappearance of oxygen. Rate of disappearance of oxygen. Clear? Rate of disappearance of oxygen is nothing but d of O2 by dt. Clear all of you? This is rate of disappearance of ammonia. This is rate of disappearance of oxygen. This is rate of appearance of NO. This is rate of appearance of water. Now we should calculate rate of disappearance of oxygen. Therefore, rate of disappearance of oxygen, that is d of O2 by dt. Okay, to calculate this one, we should change 5 from this side to this side. 5 by 4 d of NH3 by dt. Clear all of you? This d of NH3 by dt given. Okay, that value is 1.5 into 10 power minus 3. Therefore, d of O2 by dt is equal to 5 by 4 into 1 by 5 into 10 power minus 3. Clear all of you? That is equal to 4 1s are 4. Okay, 5 into 4 1s are 4. 0.4 3s are 12. Okay, 3 remaining 30. 4 7s are 28. 4 5s are okay into 10 power minus 3. That equals to 5 5s are 25, 2 5 7s are 35, 37 3, 5 3s are 15, 15 3 18. Okay, 1.875 into 10 power minus 3 mole later inverse time inverse. This is the answer. Okay, understood all of you? See how I am writing. First we have to write balanced equation. This is called balanced equation. Balanced equation. Clear all of you? Then notice coefficients of reactants and product. This is the coefficient of ammonia. This is the coefficient of oxygen. This is the coefficient of NO. This is the coefficient of water. Okay. Then we should write rate of reaction. This is the rate of reaction with respect to reactants and products. This can be written by using general equation what we have initially written. Now we should write given condition. Rate of disappearance of ammonia given. What is the value? 1.5 into 10 power minus 3. Clear? Okay, what is to be calculated? Rate of disappearance of oxygen to be calculated. That is d of O2 by dt. Therefore, rate of disappearance of oxygen. What is the relation between oxygen and ammonia? So, rate of disappearance of oxygen is equal to, see this one. We should change this 5 from this side to this side. So, 5 by 4 d of NH3 by dt. Okay, 5 by 4. What is the value of d of NH3 by dt given in our problem? 1.5 into 10 power minus 3. Okay, so finally 1.875 into 10 power minus 3. Note down fast. I am going to write one more problem. I am going to solve another numerical problem. See, rate of disappearance of hydrogen is 1.2 in 10 power minus 2 mole later inverse second inverse. Find rate of appearance of ammonia by using this relation. First, balanced equation given. First, rate of reaction. Okay. How can we write? Minus, what is the coefficient of nitrogen? 1. Minus 1 by 1. We need not write. D of N2 by dt. That is equal to minus 1 by 3. D of H2 by dt. That is equal to plus 1 by 2. D of NH3 by dt. Clear? In our problem, see carefully, hydrogen given. So this given. What is to be calculated? Ammonia to be calculated. This to be calculated. Okay. Now, therefore, rate of appearance of ammonia. Rate of appearance of ammonia. We should write relation between these two. That is nothing but d of NH3 by dt. To find rate of appearance of ammonia, we should change this 2 from this side to this side. So 2 by 3 d of disappearance of hydrogen. Clear all of you? This is disappearance of hydrogen. Okay, this value given. This value is nothing but 1.2 in 10 power minus 2. Therefore, d of NH3 by dt, that is nothing but rate of appearance of ammonia, 2 by 3 into, this is rate of disappearance of hydrogen, 1.2 into 10 power minus 2. Sorry. Clear? 3 1s are 3. 3 0.4. Okay. 2 into 0.4, 0.8 into 10 power minus 2. This is nothing but 0.8. 8 into 10 power minus 3. Okay. So 0.8 into 10 power minus 2. That is nothing but 8 into 10 power minus 3 mole later inverse second inverse. Clear? So fourth option is correct. See how I have calculated. Look carefully. First we should write rate of reaction. D of N2 by dt is equal to 1 by 3. D of H2 by dt is equal to 1 by 2. D of NH3 by dt. This is called rate of disappearance of nitrogen. This is called rate of disappearance of hydrogen. This is called rate of appearance of ammonia. Clear? Now, what is to be calculated? Rate of appearance of ammonia is to be calculated. Therefore, rate of appearance of ammonia is equal to, okay, what is given? See, rate of disappearance of hydrogen is given. We should write relation between these two. So, the relation between rate of appearance of ammonia and rate of disappearance of hydrogen is d of NH3 by dt is equal to 2 by 3 d of H2 by dt. Okay, 2 by 3. Okay, d of H2 by dt given. How much? 1.2 in 10 power minus 2. Okay, 3 1s are 3. 3 0.4s are. Okay, 2 into 0.4, 0.8 into 10 power minus 2. So 8 into 10 power minus 3. This is the answer. See this one. This is 8 into 10 power minus 3. Clear all of you? Note down fast. Now I am going to explain very important problem C. So little bit difficult. See this problem. 2 mole of A combined with 3 mole of B to form products. Rate of disappearance of A is twice that of rate of disappearance of B. The molecular weight of A is 24. Find the molecular weight of B. Very, very important. See, little bit difficult. First we should write rate. See this one. 2a plus 3b gives rise to products. Clear all of you? Now rate is equal to minus 1 by 2 d of a by dt, that is equal to minus 1 by 3 d of b by dt. Okay, we should write relation between a and b. See, rate of disappearance of a, that is d of a by dt, is equal to, we should change this 2 to this side, 2 by 3 d of b by dt. That into very important, molecular weight of a by molecular weight of b. Very important formula. This is the relation between a and b. Rate of disappearance of a, dA by dt is equal to, we should change this 2 from this side to this side, 2 by 3 rate of disappearance of a, dB by dt, into molecular weight of a by molecular weight of b. If we write b first, molecular weight of b by molecular weight of a. Okay, substituting. See this one, rate of disappearance of a is twice that of rate of disappearance of b. Let rate of disappearance of b, rate of disappearance of b is equal to x. Therefore, rate of disappearance of a is equal to how much? 2x. Why? Because rate of disappearance of a is twice that of rate of disappearance of b. If rate of disappearance of b is x, okay, if it is x, rate of disappearance of a will be 2x. Why? A is twice that of b. Okay, then molecular weight of a is equal to 24. Molecular weight of b, question mark, let it be m. Clear all of you? Substituting. D of a by dt value, tell me. D of a by dt value, how much? 2x. That is equal to 2 by 3. Clear? Watch carefully. D of a by dt, how much? 2x. 2 by 3 into d of b by dt, how much? X, into molecular weight of a, 24, by molecular weight of b, m. Clear all of you? X cancel. Okay, 2 cancel. Therefore, m is equal to 24 by 3, that is equal to 8 answer. M is equal to 24 by 3, that is nothing but this is answer. Once again, see, 2a plus 3b gives rise to products. Why? 2 moles of a, 2, combined with 3 moles of b, 3, gives rise to products. Rate of disappearance of a is twice. See this one, is twice. Twice means double. So rate of disappearance of b, x. Therefore rate of disappearance of a, 2x. Okay, this is the formula. See, very important this formula. Molecular weight of a given, how much? 24. Find the molecular weight of b. This is the way of calculation. Very important. NEET, previous example, JEE main. Okay. Very difficult problem, very important problem. Note down fast.